All right, as I promised, a video where we get to test the build. Enjoy. I'm gonna enjoy this ride. I'm gonna like fully enjoy it and like get dirty. I mean, she's already dirty. I already started. I already filmed this bit. Like you know, whatever the intro. I just wanted to come and play. Behind our garage, behind the bunker, we have a little motocross field with some bumps and stuff. It's been freezing a bit and it's been snowing a bit, so I thought it was gonna be more solid, but under the snow there's like a lot of like soft mud, which is fun. It's a good test. I mean, like, everyone can drive on a fucking solid ground, except if it's ice, but the challenge is, can you get through difficult terrain? And this is difficult terrain. We're still mid-build. I mean, like, there's so much to do. We did build a roof rack, but that's not finished yet. It needs sidewalls. I put some fender flares on. That was a bit of customization because I was still rubbing. I'm still actually rubbing on heavy angles, but that's all right. It's not like destroying the tires. Besides that, yeah, currently my bumpers are gone again. Some guys from a metal shop are bending tubes to the shape of the bumper, so I can weld together a tubular bumper. That's gonna be pretty sick, I think. Stay tuned, because we are announcing some big news on the Porsche project in the next couple of days. Might be tomorrow, who knows. But it's some big news, some big plans that we have for this project. We basically have a goal with this thing. It's not just like building some crazy sick ass beastly car, Icelandic style, with big ass tires. We actually are going somewhere with this. And before we put out that video, I just wanted to keep my promise and show you what the car can do. Yeah, she got a bit dirty. She. It's a he. I still keep, I don't know, Foxy was a she. Loki's a he, but I keep referring to cars as a she. I don't know why. Maybe because of language? What languages? Are all languages saying that cars